They say when a machine gun fires round after round, the barrel gets so crazy hot it starts glowing red, like thousands of degrees, and supposedly gets weak enough that a samurai sword could slice it clean in half. Sounds like something straight out of an action movie, right? But could that actually happen? So, the Mythbusters decided to find out. They heated up a gun barrel to around 600 degrees Fahrenheit and locked it down in an iron frame. Everyone was hyped, thinking the sword would slice through like butter. But nope, it barely left a scratch before the sword snapped in half. Not ready to call it quits, they cranked the heat up even more. At about 1,600 degrees Fahrenheit, the barrel was glowing bright red. The sword came down again, and still, just a shallow cut. The barrel stayed solid as ever. At that point, it looked like the myth was totally busted. But then Grant had another idea. What if the trick wasn't just heating it? What if you had to heat it and then dunk it in water? That process is called quenching, and it can make metal more brittle. So the team ran the whole heat and cool cycle 5 times, then went for another hit. This time, the barrel actually split apart. But after taking a closer look, they realized the sword hadn't caused the break.